Welcome to day 6 of Python Fundamentals. Today we'll practice what we've learned with some problem-solving exercises. First, let's create a program that checks if a number is even or odd. We use the modulus operator to check the remainder when divided by 2. For an even number like 4, we get a different result. Next, let's expand our grade calculator to include more details. This enhanced version includes remarks along with the letter grade. For score 95, the grade is A, excellent. For score 87, the grade is B, good job. For score 73, the grade is C, you passed. For score 62, the grade is D, needs improvement. For score 45, the grade is F, see teacher. Let's create a program that classifies temperatures into different categories. This program checks temperature ranges and classifies them accordingly. At 35 degrees Celsius, the weather is hot. At 25 degrees Celsius, the weather is warm. At 15 degrees Celsius, the weather is cool. At 5 degrees Celsius, the weather is cold. At -5 degrees Celsius, the weather is freezing. Finally, let's create a simple login system with username and password checks. This system checks both username and password with nested conditions. With username, admin and password, wrong pass, the result is wrong password. With username, user, and password, 12,345, the result is user not found. With username, admin and password, 12,345, the result is login successful. Today we practiced with 4 problems: checking even or odd numbers, an enhanced grade calculator, temperature classification, and a simple login system. These exercises help reinforce conditional logic in Python.